RBians, this is RB and welcome to my channel RBanaChopper. Hope you all are doing good, and as we all know that Valentine's Day is very near, so today I'm going to show a Valentine's Day special starter recipe which is very easy and tasty like my other recipes. So in this Valentine's Day you make this recipe and surprise your Valentine. So let's go to the recipe now. But before that, please like this video and watch this video till the end. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell.